Hello boys and girls, I'm Elf Benson. It appears that Elf Willie's predictions were right on time. The huge snowstorm has officially hit the North Pole. With only 6 hours left until Santa launches, it could be a close one this year. I'm currently looking out my window here in the newsroom, and the snow is already over a foot deep. It's only been snowing for a few minutes now, so this can't be good. I can hardly see anything out my window, and not even the big Christmas tree in the middle of the North Pole. Stick around folks, it's going to be a wild 6 hours. For the TrackSanta, I'm Elf Benson.